Angel, fetch Porcipine. Porcupine's under the sheet. There's Porcipine. Porcipine. For a smart dog, she's pretty silly. She could just go underneath here and get it. I just might wear a hole in the sheet in a minute. Oh, you're funny, Angel. Where's Porcipine? You gonna fetch Porcipine? Oh, what a funny girl. Angel, now you're an intelligent dog. Why don't you use your brain? Why don't you use your brain? Oh, what a funny dog. We're going to see your pretty face and big floppy ears. Keep going, Angel. Go for it. Fetch Porcipine. Fetch Porcipine. Come on, fetch Porcipine. What a funny doglet. Gotta have a rest now. You're having a rest, Angel, are you? Are you having a rest? Can't you get Porcipine? She's giving it her best, that's for sure. Oh, yeah. It's just gone 4 minutes she's been at it. Oh, it's a hard life. Digging for Porcipine. Isn't it, Angel? It's a hard life. There we go again. Just had to catch her breath, I think. Oh, yeah. You gonna keep going? Digging for Porcipine? Right? Looking up at me, everybody. Because I'm up high. You're gonna dig for Porcipine? wonder if I should put her out of her misery. Yeah. Now she's got it. Yay! Yay! You got Porcipine! Now we've got a hole in here. Oh, naughty kitty. No, huh? Oh well. It was Angel's little episode of digging for Porcipine. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.